We're back. I just wanted to show you how how these particular families are being instructed. How the elder is instructing his young. Sound like a drill instructor, don't it? Did you see that formation? That's a drill. Listen. You notice a part of our lessons. I think this is in 34, problem 34. About 13 ducks. Now I know them are not ducks. That's a part of the duck family or the bird family that's can fly from that sits in water and flies. You imagine our people had to cross this river to get free? Can you imagine that? Black man and woman had to navigate through that if they had to get across that before they was bridged. They had to figure it out. And I'm honored to be a product of such a royal, powerful family and people, the black men and women of America. Thank you, Master Father Muhammad, for finding us. And thank you for the exalted Christ, the Honorable Elijah Muhammad. And thank you for the Messiah, the Honorable Minister Louis Farrakhan. Thank you.